Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play 2v2 in Clash Royale after the update. So what they've basically done, they've removed the 2v2 feature so that you only play 1v1s because that way it is harder for you to level up. And they want you to spend more money on the game, right? But there is a workaround, but for that you will need to be in a clan. So as you can see, I am in this clan right here. Just join any clan that is available for you, and you can only play 2v2 on this game mode right here. So if I come to the normal one, as you can see, will be no 2v2. They removed that, only be 1v1. But if you come to clan and then you click on a friendly battle right here, as you can see, 2v2 battle option is available, but this way you can only fight against your clan mates, which is still not helpful because they have removed the 2v2 game mode itself. But they're saying they'll remove it back later and they'll bring it back. So hopefully they do. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.